Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrew and today we are doing some triceps today. So over here I'm starting off with a tricep over here with dumbbell incline bench press for 20 reps. I was using 17.5 kg dumbbells. I wanted to try it with the 20 kg dumbbells, but I said for 20 reps, there's no way I can manage for 3 sets. So I was doing 3 sets of these triceps. So now I'm doing 20 reps of flies over here, incline dumbbell flies with 7.5 kg dumbbells. It's like when you always do the first set, it is very easy. I think I lost some strength is because I went on the treadmill to do a little warm up. So I was walking on the treadmill for like 10 minutes and that like messed my strength gains. So it's best to like hit the gym, hit the weights without any warm-ups. Warm-ups, you can just do some shoulder shrugs and all that stuff just to warm up, but don't go do some treadmill walks and stuff. Just mess up the strength gains. So yeah, after the dumbbell flies, we go ahead and do 10 reps push-ups over here. So total of 50 reps per set. So as you can see, 20 reps with the dumbbell incline bench press, followed with the 20 reps of the dumbbell flies and 10 reps of the push-ups. So this is my second set. When I'm pressing these dumbbells, it was still easy, but once it reached the 15th rep, I was already starting to feel it. And also these flies, these flies. This if you want a big chest, just try this workout, guys. I promise you. You can see all these other people go to gym, they just do dumbbell bench press for like 12 reps and then they relax for like 3 minutes. Just try this tricep out. I learned this from Mike Chang from Six Pack Shortcuts. He always did the bench press followed with some flies and then with the push-ups, and that like pumped your chest up full of blood. So I hope you guys give this a try and let me know how it went. The killer is when you start to do that 10 rep push-up, you can feel all that blood on your triceps. So the dumbbell bench press works on your chest and the flies also works on your chest, and then the push-ups mostly work on a bit of chest, but mostly on your triceps on your arms. Okay, this is my third set. This was my struggling set over here. If you can see, I was already like, my heart rate was already like bouncing up to 150 beats, almost like running. When you're running a lot, you can check on your fitness watch, your heart rate goes up to 150 beats. But just doing this set of workout, your heart rate just pumped and then you just start to sweat a lot. So yeah, always the incline press, dumbbell press is always the easiest, but it was a bit of a struggle. And then now I was trying to complete the dumbbell flies with these 7.5 kgs. To give that chest a good stretch, you gotta do some of these flies over here. And when you're doing this on an incline bench, it's even better stretch. But if you were on a flat bench, it will also give your chest an even better stretch. I think if you on an incline, it just works, the stretch works most of your upper chest, and when you're on a flat bench, it works on your midsection of your chest. So yeah, you can see now I was struggling. That other guy is like, you can see on the side of the bench there, he stacked so much weight, like, I don't know, he was like working out there. He does 1 rep of everything, then he takes a big break. I don't know, is he trying to show off at the gym? We're not here to show off, we're just here to work out. Yep, this was the first tricep, and this was the killer. My triceps was so full of blood. I was thinking about doing this workout for 5 sets, but I was like, hey, I'm worn out already. We need more practice. But in order to become better, next time I have to do at least 4 sets of this workout to improve. Yeah. Last night, had some good dinner. Some family came to our place and we made a lot of Chinese food and ate a lot. Okay, so I was already worn out. So over there, that first 3 sets, we did 150 reps. Now I'm doing bicep curls. I'm holding an easy curl bar, 30 kgs, doing bicep curls for 10 reps, followed with some skull crushers for 10 reps as well. Like, you first do the bicep curls, your biceps is already pumped full of blood, and then now you do the skull crushers. Yeah, if you want big arms, big, thick, strong arms, try this workout. 10 reps, the bicep curls, and then 10 reps easy curls, and then followed with some dips. Just give that a workout and just try that workout and go home, recover, and see how big your arms become next and how strong you become. Also learned this workout from Six Pack Shortcuts from Mike Chang. He was the biggest fitness YouTuber, I think, like 10 years ago, and now he's no more doing weight training. He's mostly doing like calisthenics and all that stuff. Maybe weight training caused too much injuries on his body, but I feel like weight training strengthens my body to perform many tasks easily in my daily life. Okay, this is my second tricep over here. Very good tricep, and it also boosts your heart rate up very nicely. Oh, I promise you, this workout here, my whole arm, my bicep was so like tight because it was pumped with so much blood. If you use like light barbells, you won't get that pump. You need at least a heavy barbell to do this. And then followed with doing these body dips over here. Wow, the triceps of my arm was full of blood. Okay, so I couldn't complete the 3 sets there. I just did 2 sets, and I just did 1 set of this seated shoulder press with the easy curl bar, also 30 kgs. But then my heart was still pumping so much. And then I did the shoulder lifts. This gives that boulder shoulder look. Also with that 30 kg easy curl bar. Yeah, you can feel that pump. By now I was already so worn out. That's why I just did 1 set, and then I went to the studio to just work on my abs and do a little bit of jumping and all that stuff, a little bit of cardio to strengthen up the abs. Well, guys, thanks guys for watching my workout. Hope you guys give this a try and see if you can do better than me. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully I can perform more workouts this week until the holidays begin. Thanks guys for watching. Peace.